Hey, good people, remember the last video we were discussing bopping versus stepping. So remember I told you I was going to give you all some videos on that, right? So remember I told you, okay? So what we got here is some videos to show you all the difference between bopping and stepping, to make it clear. I mean clear! So you understand the difference between bopping and stepping for you Chicago folks that still want to claim it's the same dance. Remember, that's what the subject was. So right now, we're going to show you all videos. Like for example, this right here, that's bopping, y'all. You can see it all day. Boppity bop, two-step over here, two-step back and forth, boppity up, I don't mean to make it sound that bad, but that's bopping. You bopping, you two-step over here, you double over here, double over there, double. Shuffle, shuffle. That right there, that's the original man on man. That's Ty Skippy. And one of his boys, I don't know him. If you know him, please send me his information, please. I would love to know it. I want to put him down there too. Because we all supposed to be down there. Y'all, come on now. And we got to show y'all the difference between bopping and stepping. Those man on man, that was so cool. That was cool. Wasn't that cool? You can't miss this opportunity, man. You got to be real with this game and the love for this dance. And you truly love this dance. You want to know where it came from. Seriously.
Now that's traditional man on man right there. By two new schoolers.
This right here, this is Demeter and Janice in the girl on girl competition, original Gangster Steppin, girl on girl. Girl on girl, right y'all? Then we got Demeter and we got Janice. And then the other one, we got my girl Darlinda and one of her friends. I wish y'all would tell me if she's still alive. I would love to know her name too. But Darlinda, Janice, and Demeter, three of the top queens of the game. Oh my goodness, a lot of the flavor that you see out here right now comes from those three souls. And one of them is still alive. Darlinda's still alive and she's still out there handling it. Hey, y'all see that video right there? That's Demeter, the beautiful Demeter. I always had it. Anyway. My husband probably slapped me. Demeter and Casper. You all know Casper, the Casper slide. You know Casper's multi-talented brother. And look, you see that little hop he did? A little boom. That's original stepping. With thugs in mind. Because first of all, we were all kids. I don't think nobody was over 21, 22. You know, so it was a kid dance. It was a beautiful dance. We had all that energy. And here's this video right here. There go your boy Rick and Kim in the contest with Ty Skippy and Celeste and Nike and Tori over there. They're in the contest too. That was in 2010, y'all. Ooh, I'm old. Yeah, but Nike and Tori, they were on the Ellen DeGeneres show performing for Kendrick Lamar. He was singing, performing a song on the Ellen DeGeneres show. He had an artist painting the painting of them dancing. It was beautiful, y'all. You can put it up on YouTube. And by the end of the song, excuse me, mic check. By the end of the song, he had finished the artwork. It was beautiful, y'all. Pull it up. Kendrick Lamar on Ellen DeGeneres, and you'll see Nike and Tori.